Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the English language one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and today our word of the day is each. Each is a determiner, and at an A1 level, it basically means every one individually. So let's break it down. Each refers to every single member of a group, considered separately. Think of it like handing out cookies to a group of kids. You give one cookie to each child. It emphasizes individuality within a collective. Now, let's look at some synonyms. One synonym for each is every. For example, instead of saying I give each student a pencil, you could say I give every student a pencil. The meaning is very similar, but each can sometimes emphasize the individual more strongly than every does. Another synonym, though less direct, could be respectively, particularly when you're assigning something to different individuals in a specific order. For example, John and Mary received a prize, respectively. While not a perfect synonym for each, it implies that each person received something. Think of each as highlighting that every single item or person in a group is being considered individually. It's a very useful word for being precise. Now, let's explore some antonyms, words with opposite meanings. An antonym of each could be all. If each focuses on the individual, all focuses on the entire group as a whole. For instance, each student received a certificate is different from all students received certificates. All implies the entire group collectively, while each stresses the individual experience. Another antonym is none. If each signifies every single one, none signifies absolutely no one. For example, each answer was correct versus none of the answers were correct. Another antonym to consider is together. Each emphasizes separateness, while together emphasizes unity. They worked on the project each in their own time contrasts with they worked on the project together. Together highlights the joint effort. Now, let's consider how we can use each in everyday life. You might say, each day I try to learn something new. Or, each of us has different strengths. Perhaps, each time I see him, he's smiling. It's used to denote that something applies to every member of a specific group or a series of events. Common expressions using each include phrases like each and every, which emphasizes totality even more, or each other, which refers to two or more people doing something to or for one another. For example, they help each other with their homework. Here are more examples of each in sentences and phrases. Each person is unique. Each house on the street is painted a different color. Each chapter of the book tells a different story. Each member of the team played their part. Each item in the box was carefully wrapped. Each lesson builds on the previous one. Each country has its own culture. Each coin is worth $1. Each vehicle is parked in its designated spot. Each participant received a medal. Each student is assigned a mentor. Each guest received a welcome drink. Each employee is responsible for their tasks. Each child needs love and care. Each family got a Christmas tree. Each plant needs sun and water. Each animal is treated with respect. Each country has a flag. Each room has a window. Each object has a shadow. Each word has its own meaning. Each sentence includes a subject. Each person deserves a chance. Each mistake is a learning opportunity. Each day is a new beginning. Each breath is a gift. Each heartbeat brings a smile. Each sunrise fills hope. Each sunset brings peace. Each star is a sun. Each cloud is unique. Each drop forms an ocean. Each grain is a sand. Each moment is a memory. Each person has a story. Each action brings effects. Each thought has power. Each idea inspires change. Each belief shapes reality. Each question is a key. Each answer opens door. Each effort creates a path. Each step takes a journey. Each struggle shows strength. Each challenge builds courage. Each victory tastes sweeter. Each smile brightens day. Each tear cleanses pain. Each hug offers solace. Each kind act shines love. To recap, each means every one individually, emphasizing the separate consideration of individuals within a group. Its synonyms include every and sometimes respectively, while its antonyms include all, none, and together. It's a crucial word for clear and precise communication. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word each helpful. Now, I encourage you to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And most importantly, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word each and share it as a comment below. I'd love to see how you use it. See you next time on Hello Word.